Hello everybody, I've come out for a bicycle ride. I'm on my trusty old rally steed. I just want to say, even though I've got fancy bicycles, you don't need fancy bicycles all the time. Well, maybe you do, but I'm using this bad boy today. And I've just come for a little ride and I want to show you puncture-proof tyres, skinny tyres. Got them from the second-hand shop, all raggedy, but they do the job. Now let's just see what I'm gonna do. Stand up. Sorry guys. Oh, wobble wobble. Now let's do this thing. Heavy rain here on the Transpennine. Oh. Sometimes, guys, sometimes when you haven't got the right equipment or, you know, fancy stuff, it's fun. Look both ways. Just get out there. Just do it. Right or left? Let's go left. Let's try it. Come on. Oh, we can do this. It's fun. I would recommend buying another bike, a really rubbish one. This wasn't rubbish, this is quite excellent. But an old rickety, if you can get a bike for £25, just an old shed of a bike. What's it called? That bike. And using that sometimes, you won't care about it. If it gets robbed, you won't be so stressed. Well, you will, but you won't care if it gets wrecked or dirty. Just rough it. Sometimes I just go on a long distance on my foldaway just because it's fun. Okay, see you in a minute. So on the way home, I will show you the settings of this lighthouse. Okay, let's go home. Been riding around for far too long now. Just, you get out on your bike and it's just so addictive. Bye. Right guys, I'm going to show you the power of my light. Okay, it's very difficult with one hand trying to control it. Right, okay, can you see? That's one. Press again. 2, 3, and flower. And if I tilt it up, it'll light up the ways. Oh, see that? You see the webbits? Did you see? I just caught the webbit. There's another webbit. Sorry, webbits. Still raining. Battery's still good. I just want to show you this. And then I want to ask you something. Right. It's so spooky, this place. Right, look at this, guys. Look at this. The bridge is falling down. That's my brakes. Right, let me just. So there's the road. Look at this. It's been having problems. Right, let me take my torch off. I'm gone. Oh, sorry guys. Look. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look, oh, wow, that's amazeballs. I love that. Anyway, look at this. The bridge is having problems. Aren't we all, love? Anyway, okay, that's enough of that. I want to ask you something, guys. Just to get back in. Clunk click. Every trip. Look, you can turn it. Brilliant. Love this. I just love it. Well worth. I think I paid £100 for it. Bargain. Right, I want to ask you something. I'm thinking of doing this full ride. It'll be an hour there, maybe an hour back. So it'll be a 2-hour bicycle ride. I'm going to put my camera there like that. And I'm going to shut up, not say a word, and just ride for 2 hours. What do you think? Is that something you might, you know, so say like you just want a relaxing video of a ride like this, look. Or if you're on one of those indoor bicycles, you can throw this on the YouTube and look, listen, I'll give you a sample. Please let me know. Oh, there's a light. Please let me know if that's something I should do. Just have a couple of hour ride like that, saying nothing, and post that on the YouTube. Okay, thank you. Right, last leg, guys. Nearly home. Cut through the allotments. Typical Yorkshire allotment here in the US of K. Oh. Bit of a hill. Whoa, whoa, look at that. That's cool, bruh. Here, guys, when they have excess fruit and vegetables, they throw it in here, and there's nothing in here today. What's that? Boots. Honesty box is not in here. Alright, let's get home, shall we? Not in there. Usually you can get a big mango or some potatoes. Not in there today. Anyway, as I was saying, should I do a video, put the camera there like that, silently ride so you can just hear the tyres and the weather, like this? Is that something anyone would be interested on the Transpennine Trail? Let me know, or give me a little thumbs up, and I can do that. Okay, I think I'm at the end now. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you soon. Toodle of the pip.